Hey guys, Mike here, and today we are going to open this Pokemon Day 2026 box. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here, and I recently acquired several of these Pokemon Day 2026 boxes. Obviously, if you guys are Pokemon fans, you know that this year is the 30th anniversary for Pokemon, and it comes with this cool little pin there also, and you get this sick Pikachu card again, so I'm excited to open this up. It does look like it comes with 3 packs here. I believe 2 packs of Fantasmal Flames, and I think this is Mega Evolution. I'm not sure, they might be all Fantasmal Flames, but I'm excited to open this because, again, Fantasmal Flames, you have the chance to get the Charizard, right? So again, I have several of these boxes, but let's take a look at the backs really quick. So again, celebrate 30 years of Pokemon every year on February 27th. Pokemon fans around the world celebrate Pokemon Day to commemorate the release of the very first Pokemon video games in Japan. Pokemon Day 2026 is an extra special occasion. It's Pokemon's 30th anniversary, and you're invited to the party. Celebrate with special stamped foil promo cards featuring Pikachu and metallic coin featuring the 30th anniversary logo, and 3 booster packs from different TCG expansions. Again, you get 1 foil card, 1 Pokemon coin, and 3 TCG packs. So let's go ahead and get this open, guys. Again, I hate to ruin the box because it's such a cool looking box. But again, I do feel like I have to rip at least one of these, just to do it. So I'm going to do it, guys. Here we go. The seal is broken, and apologies, to people that like to keep stuff sealed. Again, we'll get it done here. Let's get it done. I'm sorry it happened. Maybe I can just put some tape on it and no one will notice. So first of all, I am going to put that sick Pikachu card away here. Again, this is a promo card, and it looks like it... I want to say it looks like it's sleeved up, but it's not. So let's hold on. Let's the way this is set up. Let me go ahead and move this down a little bit so you guys can see. Get the keyboard lidded up here. So it does have a plastic covering on it. I'm trying to see if the card itself has any type of sleeve. From the looks of it, it doesn't. So I'm going to try to do my best and be careful here because this is a promo card. And even though it might not be worth money right now, in a couple of years, it probably will be. And again, it's Pikachu. So again, take care of your Pikachu promo cards. Anything that is a promo card that involves Pikachu or any of the original base set. The only thing I hate about these again, these sets or whatever is that usually the promo cards come a little bent, but for the most part that shouldn't affect grading or anything like that. I'm not seeing any whitening or anything like that. So if I were to send this in to PSA for whatever reason to get graded, it looks like I might get, who knows, I might get a 10. The borders look pretty good. Again, so we're going to put that to the side. I'll put that in a top loader. And let's check out the coin really quick also. Coin looks pretty sick also. Pretty cool little commemorative coin that you get. I'm going to probably keep this personally myself. We'll keep that in the box for now. And again, from the looks of it, we get 2 Fantasmal Flame packs, which these are Lopunny. And again, we get 1 Mega Evolution, okay? So Mega Evolution is the set that came out after the Scarlet 151 stuff, which again, these come with each set of these comes with a chase card that has a specific Pokemon that has a Mega Evolution. So obviously Fantasmal Flames has Mega Charizard. This, I believe the base set Mega Evolution has Mega Lucario and Mega Gardevoir. So again, let's put this to the side here. Actually, let me just put this on my bed here for you guys to check it out. So I'm going to start off with Mega Evolution. And again, the chase card is Mega Lucario for us, so we'll find out. Let's see if we can get it. Again, guys, I haven't opened up Mega Evolution in quite a minute here. So, and again, my phone's dying. I'm recording on my phone, so if you guys, are... Ooh, I love the Pikachu card in the back, by the way. Ooh, okay, so how it works, this card trick, again, is back first... the last card to the back, and we're going to do this to the front. So again, let's go ahead and do it. We'll start off here. Again, I haven't opened up Mega Evolution in a minute here, so... And not that Mega Evolution is really hard to get, but obviously the older the set gets, the more expensive it gets. So let's take a look here. Ooh, we have Luponi Reverse Hollow. I don't think I've ever gotten that one. We got Tika Tink. Here we go. And then last card. Oh, shoot. We got the Mega Gengar. I have never pulled this, actually. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to have to sleeve this up, guys. Give me 1 second here. Okay, guys. So, again, sorry about that. I had to switch off cameras here. But I'm checking it out, and it does look like, unfortunately, this card, I thought it was going to be worth a little bit more money. Only $4.63, but in a PSA 10, $46, which is, again, the Mega Kangaskhan. I think it's a sick card, though. I mean, again, these illustration rare cards, or actually it's an EX card, but it's a full art EX card. You can tell by the 2 double white stars. Usually the rarity is by like the stars on the bottom. I believe the gold stars means it's more rare. Still a cool card though, again. So that's gonna be first pull of the day. So as far as that goes, so I'm gonna put that aside. We're gonna open up our first Mega Luponi, I believe, pack here. And again, guys, I don't want to jinx myself, right? But I've seen videos go around saying that the Mega Luponi packs are the ones that give you the Mega Charizard pulls, which is the chase card for the set, right? So, if that is the case, I might just be looking for this specific card every single time. But anyways, or this specific cover art. Again, the cover art, it has to be on the pack here. But let's go ahead and turn it around for you guys. Again, hope you guys are enjoying the Pokemon stuff. It's a little bit different, right, than what I normally do as far as like the tech goes, but it is what it is. This is like stuff I'm getting into now. A Lombre. Ooh, Wigglytuff. Here we go. Wigglytuff. A Bronzong. We got a Sacred Charm. All right, we have Reverse Hollow. So we're getting to our last 3 cards here. Reverse Sabali. Here we go. And Alchemy, here we go, and okay, we just got a regular Moltres card, which still looks pretty sick in my opinion. I think the arts for a lot of these cards are very underrated, and I have a few of these already. I didn't realize that this actually came from Fantasmal Flames, so sometimes you might see the same cards in different sets, possibly just depending. But let's go ahead and put those ones to the side. And we got one more pack left for you guys. And then we'll go ahead and close out the video for you. But yeah, guys, again, I don't know why I like to just throw my cards back into the pack here. I don't think it does anything. Eventually, I have like a stack of these where I'm just going to literally take them all out, throw away the packs. And I'm going to just save the bulk and possibly separate the bulk and sell it all. But again, guys, here he is. Last pack magic. Let's see what we can do, okay? Again, last pack. Hope everyone's having a good 2026. I'm trying to turn it around for me as much as I can, but we'll see how the rest of the year goes. It's barely going to be July. Today is June the 30th as I'm recording this. So again, we'll put this one to the side. Let's do the pack trick here. Let's turn it around, and here we go. All right, here we go. Toxel, Bronzor, Mimikyu. Again, that's a pretty sick art, by the way. Like, I don't know if there's a hollow or reverse hollow to this, but that's a pretty cool card. A Trapnich. Dawn, one of people's favorite trainers. All right, here we go. Lokix. The Crocodile. Reverse hollow. We got a reverse Jigglypuff. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, just a regular hollow. So I got kind of cooked on the last 2 packs, but again, I still got this cool card over here in the front. So again, guys, hope you guys have been enjoying the pack unopenings. Here are my 3 pulls for today's unboxing here for the Pokemon 30th anniversary, the Moltres, the Genesect, and then the Mega Kangaskhan. I might have said Mega Gengar at the beginning, so I do apologize about that. But again, hope you guys enjoyed the content here. Again, hopefully y'all are ripping or able to find cards in stores. Comment down below. Let me know how it's going for you guys, if you're able to find at your own locations, or if you're having to buy, at local card shops possibly. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?